Hey, Bill DeBoer over here at DeBoer's Auto. I just wanted to make a quick video and talk to you guys about whether it's worth it to invest $5,000 in the car that you have or to go buy a new one. So this is an age-old question that we get asked quite a bit. You get into a vehicle and you start accumulating all these maintenance services that come due that you've been procrastinating on. You know, you got expensive items like tires and brakes and these other things that come up, and it doesn't take much to get up to, you know, a $3,000 or $4,000 or $5,000 repair bill on your vehicle. Question is it worth doing that repair or going and buying a new car? A lot of people throw that out there, and plain and simple fact is it depends, right? It depends on the car and the situation. But let's just break down the math. The average car in 2018 is selling for $35,000. You add on the dealer fees of like $500. New Jersey, you have to prepay your registration for 4 years, so that adds another $300 to the ticket. You gotta get the title with the lien holder and all that. You add in sales tax. By the time you're all said and done, you're looking at about a $38,000 price tag on a new vehicle, average, right? So typically the banks want 10% down, so you'll be putting $3,800 down. And on a car loan rates, if you qualify, they're averaging around 3 to 4% now. And that would put you at a car payment about $527 a month. So, you know, these are averages. And again, you know, we get this asked quite a bit. So do you spend the money and put the $5,000 in it, or do you go get that new car? And you know, the question is, it really depends. So you got to take into the history of the vehicle, how well it's been maintained, how old the vehicle is, and you want to, you know, there's no sense sometimes throwing $38,000 at a $5,000 problem. I mean, it just doesn't make sense. Even if you break it down into a monthly payment, I mean, you take that $5,000 and you go out over 20 months, you're looking at like $250 a month. So if you can see yourself driving the vehicle for the next 2 to 3 to 4 years, it totally makes sense. While initially it might be a big shock, that $5,000 repair ticket, when you look at the alternative and buying a new car and how much money you'd be spending, it doesn't really make sense to take that $38,000 to solve a $5,000 problem. But that's what we're here for at DeBoer's Auto. So head on over to www.deboersauto.com and check out our additional resources there. Thank you.